So this is the most crucial question for the investment banking interview. Let's say when you hear the term value of the company, what comes to your mind first? Stock price, market cap? Not quite. If you are an investor, banker, business owner,
According
the
to
number,
you are
it
some
truly
of the
matters.
fields where
It's
there's a lot of
enterprise value.
scope for innovation and where
Because
you see
enterprise
still there's a
value
lot of
like,
room for growth.
What actually
fintech,
goes to
health
buy
tech
the entire
are
company.
two.
Let's break it down clearly and simply. So enterprise value is something, let's say it's a total value of business, taking into the account both equity and debt, while subtracting the excess cash. The formula is simple: EV is equal to market capitalization plus total debt minus cash or cash equivalents. Think of it like this: you are buying a house and the price tag is 1 crore, but the house comes with a 30 lakhs home loan and there's a 10 lakh in the saving. So the real price you pay is a 1 crore 30 lakhs 20,000. That's enterprise value in the action. So let's break the formula further. Market capitalization. One thing. Total value of company's outstanding share. Let's say company has a 10 crore shares. Is trading at the 100 rupees. The market cap is 1000 crores. Total debt. All along the terms debt, short-term debts. Why added? Because if you are acquiring a company, you inherit the debt too. Cash and cash equivalents, we subtract this because the cash reduces the effective cost of acquisitions. More cash is equal to less net cost. Bottom line, EV gives a 360-degree views of the company's actual value beyond just the stock prices. That's a one thing. So why should you care about the EV instead of just a market cap? So merger acquisitions, when acquiring a company, buyer look at the enterprise value because they need to cover just not the equity but also the company's liability. Better valuation multiples, let's say ratios like EV by EBITDA, EV by sales are considered more accurate than the PE, especially when comparing the companies with a different debt level. There's a one thing. Third one is a true comparability. Two companies might have the same market cap but very different cash and cash positions. EV help you compare apple to apple. Let's say top company A and B have the both 100 crores market cap, but A has the 500 crores debt and no cash. B has the 100 crore debt and the 200 crore cash. So EV of the A is the 1500 crores, EV of the B is the 900 crore. There's a massive difference. And what are common mistakes people make in this? Here's what people get wrong about the enterprise value. Market cap is enough. Let's say this is false. Market cap ignores the debt. EV is only for the big companies. Not true. It applies for startups, MSMEs, listed giants, etc. Cash always reduce EV. Yes, but only excess cash. Operating cash is still need for the daily businesses. That's one thing. Here's where the EV is actively used in the real world. Investors use the EV by EBITDA to access how expensive or cheap stock is. Private equity firms calculate the EV to structure the buyouts, and startup founders use it to funding the rounds to show the total value of business. And EV banks use the EV to structure their lendings and collaterals because that's a bread and butter for a business. It's a go-to number where the serious number is on the table. And let's recap. Enterprise value is equal to market cap, debt minus cash. It's a real value of a company. It's help you make the smart decisions, whether you are investing, acquiring or benchmarking. So next time someone quote a company's stock price, ask them, cool, what's the enterprise number? Because you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, drop your question in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe for a more easy to understand finance content. Let's decode the business world and one concept at a time. And if you're looking for a funding or the financial modeling for a business, iBanker is a point of contact. The ibankers.com is a website that provide you the expert financial modelers that provide you a business modeling service. And apart from that, like the startup funding service in the India and abroad. Let's meet in the next video.